Are you looking for the perfect fishing rod and reel combo for your next fishing adventure? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced angler, choosing the right fishing setup can be challenging. That's why we've selected the top 5 best fishing rod and reel combos of 2026, comparing them based on performance, durability, versatility, ease of use, and overall value. From beginner-friendly fishing combos to versatile and specialized setups, there's something here for every type of angler, so let's dive into our top 5 countdown. Number 5, let's kick off our countdown with the Dr. Fish 125-piece fishing rod and reel combo. This complete fishing set includes a telescopic spinning rod, reel, tackle, accessories, and a convenient tackle bag. Its collapsible design makes it easy to carry and store, while the large selection of included gear makes it especially useful for beginners. It can also be used for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, giving you plenty of flexibility for different fishing adventures. Key features: heavy checkmark 125-piece complete fishing set, heavy checkmark telescopic spinning rod, heavy checkmark reel tackle included, heavy checkmark convenient tackle bag, heavy checkmark freshwater saltwater use, heavy checkmark travel-friendly design. Final verdict: if you're a beginner looking for a complete and affordable fishing setup, the Dr. Fish 125-piece combo is a great choice. Moving on to number 4, we have the DRAGOntail Tenkara Shadowfire 365. This classic 12-foot telescoping Tenkara rod features a smooth, easy-to-learn bend, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced anglers. Its lightweight and portable design makes it especially convenient for hiking, camping, and outdoor fishing trips. It's a great option for anglers who prefer a simple and specialized fishing experience. Key features: heavy checkmark classic 12-foot Tenkara rod, heavy checkmark telescoping design, heavy checkmark smooth easy-to-learn bend, heavy checkmark lightweight portable, heavy checkmark beginner-friendly, heavy checkmark great for outdoor fishing. Final verdict: if you want a lightweight and simple Tenkara fishing rod, the DRAGOntail Shadowfire 365 is an excellent option. Coming in at number 3 is the PLUSINNO fishing rod and reel combo. Featuring a carbon fiber telescopic rod and spinning reel, this combo offers a great balance of portability, versatility, and value. Its compact design makes it easy to transport, while its freshwater and saltwater compatibility gives anglers more flexibility. It's also a beginner-friendly option for everyday fishing. Key features: heavy checkmark carbon fiber fishing rod, heavy checkmark telescopic design, heavy checkmark spinning reel included, heavy checkmark freshwater saltwater use, heavy checkmark lightweight portable, heavy checkmark beginner-friendly. Final verdict: if you're looking for a versatile and portable fishing combo at a great value, the PLUSINNO is an excellent choice. Our runner-up is the Zebco 202404 Spincast Fishing Combo 2-Pack. This package includes 2 complete 5-foot 6-inch, 2-piece fishing rods with Zebco 202 and 404 Spincast reels. Both reels come pre-spooled, making them ready to use right out of the box. The simple Spincast design is especially beginner-friendly, making this combo a great choice for families, friends, and casual anglers. Key features: heavy checkmark 2 complete fishing combos, heavy checkmark 5 feet 6 inches 2-piece rods, heavy checkmark Zebco 202 404 reels, heavy checkmark pre-spooled fishing line, heavy checkmark beginner-friendly design, heavy checkmark great for family fishing. Final verdict: if you want 2 simple and reliable fishing setups in one package, the Zebco 202 404 combo is an excellent choice. Taking the number 1 spot is the KastKing Centron fishing rod and reel combo. Available in baitcaster and spinning configurations, the Centron offers excellent versatility for different fishing styles. Its 2-piece rod features stainless steel guides with ceramic rings, while the EVA handle and fighting but provide comfortable handling. With its quality construction, versatile design, and excellent overall value, the KastKing Centron stands out as the most well-rounded option on our list. Key features: heavy checkmark Baitcaster spinning options, heavy checkmark 2-piece rod design, heavy checkmark stainless steel guides, heavy checkmark ceramic guide rings, heavy checkmark EVA handle with fighting butt, heavy checkmark excellent versatility. Final verdict: if you're looking for the best overall fishing rod and reel combo of 2026, the KastKing Centron is our #1 recommendation for its performance, versatility, comfort, and value. And that's our list of the top 5 best fishing rod and reel combos of 2026. From beginner-friendly options to versatile and specialized fishing setups, we hope this guide helps you find the right combo for your next fishing adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tenkara, and turn on the notification bell for more top 5 product reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which fishing rod and reel combo is your favorite. You'll find links to all the featured products in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.